If your Kia Soul's cruise control is giving you the silent treatment, you're probably frustrated. Let's get to the bottom of it, fast. Cruise control is great, until it just stops working. So why does this happen in the Kia Soul? First, check the basics. Is your check engine light on? If yes, the cruise control system may be disabled until that issue is fixed. Next, make sure you're going at least 25 miles per hour. Cruise control won't work at very low speeds. Still nothing? Your brake lights could be the culprit. A faulty brake light switch can trick your Kia into thinking you're braking, which shuts off cruise control. Also, take a look at your fuses. A blown fuse related to the cruise system or brakes can cause problems. If you've recently changed your battery, the system might just need a reset. Try turning your car off and back on. And remember, cruise control won't work if you don't have your seatbelt fastened or if you're driving up steep hills. If none of these tips solve it, it might be time for a visit to your mechanic. Sometimes it's a deeper electronic or sensor issue. So, don't worry. Most cruise control issues in the Kia Soul are simple fixes, and now you know what to check first.